Hi everyone! Okay, so I'm back with another unboxing. As you can see, I have unwrapped and opened it, and I actually removed the plastic bag for one thing because I wanted to show it to someone on Zoom a while back. Okay, so I actually got this after 2 weeks. So it was stuck at the Japanese airport for 2 weeks, and then it took 2 days to get to Singapore. So, yeah, COVID-19 has impacted international shipping quite a bit. Anyways, so this time round, I actually tried using the Tenso.com's consolidation service for the first time. So what happened was I had 3 different packages and I had it all consolidated, and what they do is they try their best to use whatever packaging that the thing originally comes in, if that's all possible. So they'll open it up and they'll consolidate it, they write the new weight there, and they will seal it up with tape. Yeah, so they used the biggest Pikachu box. I don't know what happened to the other boxes. I had a Nintendo box, I think. And as usual, it's a PokéCentre box. And when we open it, we see the receipts. So I have 2 different PokéCentre receipts. Right, and I have one Nintendo package right at the bottom. You can see a peek of it. Ta-da! That I claimed using my platinum points, which were expiring. Yeah, so anyways, the first thing that you see is the one that I actually opened the plastic bag off because I wanted to show my dear Poppy. So yeah, this is the Easter series Pikachu. As you can tell, this is a slightly more pastel color, and overall the color scheme is more pastel. The hat is adorable. This is the Skull Bunny ears, yeah, and flowers. So each individually made flower. The stitching is a bit ugly, but it's okay. We can tuck. Yeah, we can tuck. And I believe I can remove the hat if needed. So yeah, it is a female Pikachu. It is the Easter series. It goes like, hello, with its little hand there. A little bit shy, pastel. Yeah, so it's really cute. I know I said I'm only going to get Charmanders from now on, but it is too cute. I just had to get it. Okay, so let me put this there. And now you see the Charmander that I got. And again, we will see Vicky attempting to open things one-handed. Yay. Okay, got it. Ha! So this is the newest Pokemon game, Pokemon Cafe. And this is the Charmander waiter. And yes, I am playing that game. And yes, I do have a Charmander that I use often, more than is needed. And I really like the texture of this tail. It's like it's the furry texture. And I got the keychain, the mascot keychain, instead of the larger version because I'm running out of space and I really don't need the larger one. Yeah, it's cute, but it's not like I prefer the Pokemon Dolls series, to be honest. Let me just do a quick pan over to this. So as you can tell, this is my Charmander cabinet, and I really like this Chirin Fu, the Japanese style, as well as this furry one. And where is my Pokemon Dolls series? Oh, of course, this was the Christmas one. It's hilarious. That one is the Mystery Dungeon. Yuruto sleeping. I cannot find where Pokemon Dolls is here. So like, I really like that aesthetic more than the Pokemon Cafe one, but I mean, it's still cute. I mean, it's gonna join them there. Okay, yeah, so that's that. And now let's open the first of the Bubblewrap baggies. I actually have no idea what's in it. I haven't opened it yet. And we all know I buy stuff and then I forget what's in it. Okay, so oh yes, I got a Moncole Charmander because I know I keep on saying I don't want to get Moncole figures, but you know when you get everything that is Charmander and you're only missing 2 things and you're just like, should I just get the 2 things I'm missing? Yeah, and it was on offer. They had a sale. They had a sale. So I'm like, oh my god, they're having a sale. So yes, I now have the Moncole Charmander and the Moncole Charizard. And it is beautiful. And we know where it's going as well. Yeah? Okay, moving on from that. Oh, washi tape. So yes, the Easter series is forever a money sucker, because guess what? Easter in Japan means Sakura. Look at this. Oh, I love this. I really like this pastel soft aesthetic. Yeah, and there are 98 stickers. So this is not washi tape, these are stickers. So it's Sakura, so you have the cherubim and you have the Pikachu, and it's just very soft and very Sakura. And if you know me at all, you know Sakura is love, Sakura is life, Sakura is everything. Okay, so this is the Pokemon Cafe series washi tape. The reflection is quite horrible. Let me see if I can get it better. I don't think I can unwrap this with one hand. But yeah, so there are two rolls. The top roll is like each individual mascot. So you see the Charmander. Like the animated version is cuter than the mascot. But okay. Squirtle, Bobby, Togepi, Pikachu, Eevee, Jigglypuff, Munchlax. Yeah, and then below you have the food and the mascots, and it's a wider tape. So what I really like about this wider tape is that it goes really well around my Apple Pencil. So yes, I've been using that. I must justify my purchases, you know. Yeah, okay, next thing, this one is actually really cute. It's actually a Pokemon that I don't think I've bought before, and it's not as common as the Kanto ones. So it's Morpeko, the new Pikachu clone from Generation 8. So you have Hangry mode, which is dark, which is this one. It's a dark, don't know what, dark psychic maybe. And this is its normal mode, which is an electric Pikachu Pokemon. And it's so cute. It's just me, okay, Hangry mode. So it's a set of 2 rings, and I really like rings. They're pretty. So I haven't yet figured out how to remove it without like tearing the whole thing apart, but I'll show it to you when I'm done with the rest. Okay, in the meantime, let's look at this. Let me pull it closer so I can use one hand to my elbow to help a bit with the unwrapping. Yeah, more stuff. Plastic. So much plastic. Okay, and yes, I got more socks because you can never have enough socks. And I needed like slightly higher socks because my shoes keep falling. And I just realized I don't have red socks, and good Charmander socks are always good. This is literally the only way I can show my preferred fashion style because of my job nature. I used to dress like this like to school, but no, now I can't do it. So sad. Okay, and again, as mentioned, the Sakura series is a complete money sucker. So this one is beautiful. I haven't mentioned, I just really like this color scheme and like the whole art style. It's soft, it's cute, it's adorable. So this is actually a foldable shopping bag, and it is super useful. I have a few already. I have a Rowlet one that I use often, and I have a Harry Potter one, but I was thinking of getting just one more. And I really like this quality. It's thick, and like the straps are also hardy. I may double sew it just in case, but yeah, it's cute, it's waterproof, it's Sakura. I mean, it's Sakura. I'll just leave it there. We know I'm a sucker. Okay, so next up is this next piece of next bubble wrap thing. As you can tell, it is mostly files. Okay, so yes, I bought a lot of files. This is the black Pikachu with berries and white. So it's a set of 2 black and white Pikachus. Yeah, I like the simplicity. It's cute, and like slight details here and there. And this is the one. This is the Pokemon Yuruto. It's so cute. Look at it. It's so stupid looking. Oh, so cute. I like stupid looking Pokemon. Yeah, and then the Eevee and Pikachu. I mean, and of course this one. This is the Easter collection. As you can see, this year they featured the Gala Pokemon. You have the Alcremie. You have the Scorbunny. So cute. 2 Alcremie forms actually. The Matcha and the Strawberry one. Yamper, which is Corgi, so cute. And you have Pony, My Little Pony, so cute. And of course you have the Pikachu. Yeah, so I actually really like Galarian Ponyta. It is a unicorn. I mean, I like unicorns. And I do have a Scorbunny and a Yamper on my team. I mean, Pikachu is always there because he's useful. Other than that, I mean, it's cute. I like Easter stuff. And of course, this is the one that I just had to buy because Again, we all know, repeat after me, it's Sakura. And oh my god, the gold Sakura is so pretty. Yes, Sakura. Okay, next up. These two are actually quite interesting. I quite like them because they are a little bit different. So it's the Pitat's clear file series, and you can see this means new shape, and it's a normal file, so it's the same as like this type of file, like it's a slot L-shaped file. So you just slot stuff in as usual, but like this one has an extra little flap, so like you can slot your papers in, and then like after that you yap it, and then the paper will not fall out. And given how often my papers fall out, yeah, it's useful. So I got it in two colors. I got it in the blue, I got it in the yellow, and they are both cute. If they had more colors, we know what would have happened. Okay, and now this one is actually another very interesting file type. And yes, I bought many interesting files, and yes, I buy a lot of files, and I use all of my files, so no nagging. Yeah, so this is the Pikachu snack time, because tea, snacks, Pikachu. And again, it's simple. It's a pocket file. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets. And what's special? 6 pockets. And what's special is that there is this zip pocket here. So like, let's say I want to, my paper is a little bit more irregularly shaped, and I can just stuff it into this zip folder. I don't have to worry about it dropping out. And yeah, it's useful and it's special. And yes, I do like special files, and yes, I justify it, and yes, I use all of them. Okay, I really do use all my files. I need lots of files. I do change them out like once a year, but I need lots of files. Okay, next file, before I get on to the next set. This is the Pokemon Cafe series files. So this is the cafe that you get in the game. And yes, I have expanded to this extent. So the top part here is this like high class dining area with all the air quotes. Then this is the bubbly area, garden area. So like you start out with just this part, and then you expand here, expand there, expand here, and expand up. So like you slowly expand out. And yeah, the art style is adorable. It's really cute. The game, I got bored. I mean, to be honest, I'm already bored, but I mean, it's cute. And their events, but I mean, it just depends. Okay, so this is the Pokemon Cafe mix game. Yeah, so you can take a look. These are some of the things. You can download it. It's available for Switch, for Apple, for Android, whatever you could possibly want to play it on. And the other side of this paper is about the expansion pass, which I have, but I have not yet played. And yeah, life. Okay, so next thing is going to be, what's this paper? It's the same thing. What's this thing? Stickers. Okay, let me see. Maybe let's look at this one first. Yes. This one is actually really interesting. I mean, we know why I bought it, okay? And again, repeat after Vicky. Why did Vicky buy this thing? Because it's Sakura. But yes, it is 2 different folders. So one white and one pink. And it is actually what they call a ticket holder. So you can slot things here. But what I found useful about it is that it's very small. Which means like I can stuff like post-its in it. And like things won't drop out, and things won't get crumpled, and things won't die. So I like to write stuff on post-its. Oh, I like the gradation on this Sakura. It's so pretty. Another gold Sakura. Okay, yes, I do love Sakura. Okay, I'm a sucker. Full stop. Cherubim. I think I'm not really into Cherubim. I just really like Sakura. To be honest, like these two side by side, I prefer the white, the lighter pink one. It looks like white, but it's actually light pink. Yeah, it's really cute. Yes, so these are going to be for post-its. You can put like concert tickets or like plane tickets or whatever tickets you want to put in it, but I'm going to use them for post-its. Okay, moving on. And yes, I got a letter set. And why, you ask? Are we going to write letters? Yes, because I finally finished using the letter sets I had from like exchange back in 2015, like the original Vic Takes Japan. And I decided to get Sakura letter set because it's Sakura and it's Vicky. So yeah, this is very me. It's Pokemon, it's Sakura, there's stickers, envelopes, paper, It's a letter set for me to write pretty letters to my friends. If you get a letter from me, you know you're my friend. If you don't, either I know you don't like letters, or I don't know, I don't have your address. Anyway, so these are the stickers. I'm not going to open that one because this seal is a bit difficult. Okay, it's a bit difficult there, but essentially it is based on the newest Pokemon anime series, Pokemon Journeys, I believe. So this is the new character Go, and you have, of course, Ash. Go uses a Skull Bunny, and he is on Sakura. Ooh. Yes, so now I have two stickers, one of Go and one of Ash, and his dear Pikachu. Yes, and they're saying the anime is on every Sunday on Television Tokyo. Yay, we'll watch it, whatever. And this is this month's postcard. Oh, and it's so cute. Oh, so this Alola. Is it Alola? No, it's Galar. So we have Mew, we have the tree. Oh, they just launched these for summer, like the big life-size plushes. Not my thing, but okay. Rowler needs to be rounder. Okay, we have Piplup. Piplup's cute. The new Bidoof thing. Ah, my little doggos. So we have the two doggos, and we have Skull Bunny just sleeping, is finally tired, and we have Eevee and Litten. Oh, so cute. And yeah, it's a postcard with a Pikachu at the back. Yeah, so these are actually free with every purchase, and this one is actually the third package that was in here. This one was the one that I claimed free using my platinum points. And what happened with Tenso is that I think it came in this packaging, and they just slit the top to check what it is. And what is it, you may ask? It is a picnic mat, but it's a very thin picnic mat. So what I'm going to do is I will open it to show you, but I'm likely going to put it up as a wall covering, like on the wall, because it looks cute on the wall, I feel. I don't go for picnics, okay? It's not my brand. But anyway, so it's a Pokemon Mystery Dungeon series item that I claimed with my platinum points, because there wasn't much other things that I wanted. Like the other items that you claim, they just weren't my aesthetic. This one is pretty cute, and I was thinking like, oh, picnic mat, quite useful. And then it came, and I realized how tiny it is. So my ass ain't fitting on this. Okay, anyways, so you can see like these are all the Pokemon Mystery Dungeon avatars. So you have, of course, Pikachu in the middle with a special bandana, and then you have my dear Charmander here right in this corner, so cute. And you have all the others. Mudkip, baby Mudkip is there as well. Another Charmander, Totodile, a few berries, Squirtle. Yeah, so it is a... Oh, Torchic is there. So it is a picnic mat, but it's not very large. Like, I'm just going to put it there, you can see. So I'm going to put it on the wall. Like, it's going to join this wall here somewhere. It's a work in progress, okay, my wall. But essentially, so these are all the things that I have thus far. Yeah. So I hope you like the unboxing. I'm still attempting to put this on. Let me see, can I just like fit it on a finger, then you can maybe see how the rings look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack them. Focus. Yeah, I'm going to stack them, and it's going to look so cute. So cute. Yes. Okay, so anyways, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you when I next see you. Bye bye. Bye bye.